Hello students, in exercise 3.3, the next page 54, problem number 3, subdivision 4. Look at this problem. My God, so many words. Word. Where is mathematics? Don't fear. Let us read the problem. The taxi car in a city consists of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Read the sentence very carefully. The taxi charges in a city consists of fixed charges. So let us say, let fixed charge be x. Let us say the fixed charge is x. Together with charge for distance covered, let charge for distance covered, okay, be y. So there are two charges. We are studying about linear equation with the two variable. So I got x and y. Next, for a distance of 10 kilometer. So what is the distance traveled by this person? 10 kilometer. Charge for distance is y. So 10y. Okay. So not only the 10 kilometer 10y, you also have to pay for the fixed charge. A particular amount is fixed minimum charge. So that is x is equal to, how much this person is paying? 105 rupees. 105 rupees. As I told you before, I don't bring sign of rupee or anything like that. Remember very carefully, when you travel in a taxi, I travel from point A, I go to point B. So there is a fixed charge, maybe 50 rupees, maybe 100 rupees, that I have to pay. In addition to that, I have to pay how much distance I covered. Maybe I cover 20 kilometer. Here this person is covering 10 kilometer. So for that also he has to pay. So the total amount will be the total amount paid by the person. Okay, let us read further. For a journey of 15 kilometer. Now for 10 kilometer it is 105 rupees with the fixed charge. Now with the fixed charge, when you travel 15 kilometer, 15y is the variable charge for distance covered. 15y is equal to 155. Remember, don't bring kilometer, don't bring rupee, because a linear equation should not have all that. Call this as equation number 1, call this as equation number 2. So we have got two linear equations with us. Then what is the fixed charge? We have to calculate x value, and the charge per kilometer, that is y value, we have to calculate, and how much the person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer. If he travels 25 kilometer, how much should he pay? Once you take the data, you can just keep the question aside. Okay, you can place the question aside and we will carefully solve this problem. Okay, you understand what I am doing here? Fixed charge is x and the charge for the distance covered is y. We know these two. X plus y is equal to 105. X plus 15y is equal to 155. Let me write it in small letters. X plus 10y is equal to 105. I have erased this now. Okay, equation number 1. X plus 15y is equal to 155. Equation 2. Let me erase this part also. We are using substitution method, where we substitute one value to the another. Let us take equation 1. X plus 10y is equal to 105. X is equal to 105 minus plus 10y goes that side minus 10y. So I got a value for x. I take this value of x and substitute it in the second equation. Okay, from equation 2 is x plus 15y is equal to 155. Okay, now what is x value? 105 minus 10y. Okay, 105 minus 10y. Better put it in a bracket in the starting, right? This has come. This is substituted for x value plus 15y is equal to 155. Okay, that is 105 minus 10y, open the bracket, plus 15y is equal to 155. Okay, y terms, 15 minus 10, that is 5y. 105 minus 5y is equal to 155. Minus 5y is equal to 155 minus, this goes, see it is not minus, 15 minus 10 plus, okay, so plus goes, so let it be plus only, fine, 155 minus 105. Two things you have to be careful. One is, be careful about the sign, plus and minus, and be careful about the words, what you substitute, how you multiply. If there is a small error, the whole answer will come wrong. Okay, 155 minus 105, that is 50, that is equal to 5y. 5y is equal to 50. So, can I erase this now? Okay, let me erase this part now because it has served its purpose. Right, now I have 5y is equal to 50, which implies y is equal to 50 divided by 5, that is 10, or y is equal to 10. Now what is y actually? It is a fixed charge. If I travel 1 kilometer, I have to pay 10 rupees. If I travel 10 kilometer, I have to pay 10 into 10. If I travel 18 kilometer, 18 into 10. So per kilometer, I have to pay 10 rupees. That is the charge for distance covered. Now we have to also calculate the fixed charge. Okay. So we already know x is this much. We know that x is equal to 105 minus 10y. That is equal to 105 minus 10. What is the y value? Multiply by 10. Okay. So let me erase this part now. Okay. Very carefully watch now. Okay. So 10 tens are 100. So x is equal to 105 minus 10 tens are 100. So 100. So x is equal to 105, 10 tens are 100, that is 5. Okay. So 105, that is 5. So fixed charge is 5 rupees. You have to be very careful in understanding this problem, right? Now the fixed charge we calculated to be equal to rupees 5, and we calculated distance per this is 10 rupees. These are very small numbers now. Okay, is this equation right or wrong? We need to check whether x and y values are right or wrong. Okay, we have taken the first equation. Let me again go back to page number 54. We formed the equation, right? The first equation was x plus 10y is equal to 105. This was our first equation. Now what is x value? 5 plus what is y value? 10. Okay, put this in bracket. So 5 plus 10 tens are 100, which is equal to 105. So which is equal to 105. So our x value and y value are absolutely correct. There is a rider problem. If the person travels 25 kilometers, how much should the person pay? Very simple. We already calculated, and we calculated x value and y value, right? Now the person is traveling 25 kilometers. So he will pay the fixed charge, and he will pay for 25 kilometer distance covered, the charge for that, and that is equal to how much? X is how much? 5 rupees plus 25 multiplied by 10, that is the y value, distance per kilometer. How many kilometers? 25 kilometers. That is equal to 5 plus 25 into 10, 250, that is total 255 rupees the person will pay. I want to tell you, the problem looks very big, but convert the words into numbers, understand and convert them into numbers, then it becomes very easy. Do not fear. More problems you do, more you practice, you will become confident, and then you will be able to achieve. Thank you.